Okay. On this one, this came up the other day, and we're going to add it to the list of things everyone should know or own. The other day, here at the Grumpy Engineered World headquarters, someone said to me, "Hey, there's a box by the door. I heard you were heading out. Can you please take that and drop it off to be shipped for me?" Yeah, sure, no problem. So I grabbed said box, and the box is packed up. This is not the box. The box is packed up with scotch tape and ballpoint pen, pink ballpoint pen. I believe there may have been some glitter in there as well. This is not how you pack a box to ship it, and I should have saved the box for y'all to see, but looking at it was very traumatic, and I decided it was best not to put you all through that. So what I am going to do today is show you the way I was trained to pack a box, tape it up, when working in a shipping and receiving department at a company. What I'm going to do here is pack up a box the way I was taught to pack up a box. And here in a minute, I'll show you some, I'll throw up some pictures on screen of the various kinds of packing tape. But get the right tape for the job, please. They make 3M clear packing tape. The really good stuff, that brown stuff with the strings in it. They make that in a plastic tape and in a paper tape that you run through the tape machines. If it was me and you ship anything on a regular basis, invest $12 in a tape gun and some real packing tape and make life easy on yourself. But anyway, for the record, I'm going to say this twice because I know I'm going to get beat up in the comments. To make it easier to see on screen, I am going to show you this process using blue painter's tape because it shows up on screen. No, I would never pack and ship a box with blue painter's tape because it's made to come off things very easily. So that would make it absolutely crap packing tape, but it will make it easier for you all to see on screen while I'm doing this. So, first things first. Take your tape, fold your box up, take your tape, put a strip across the seam on the bottom, mash it down pretty. You want like a 2-3 inch overlap on the sides. Now, people will add multiple strips and waste a bunch of tape. The next place that you want to add strength to the box is along the seam here. So you hold your tape up, give it a decent measurement, tear it off, fold it over the side, same thing on this side. Now you've taped up your box for maximum strength to hold everything inside. Do the exact same thing on the top. Fold it in. Yes, I know I'm doing it backwards, but there's a label on there already, but we're gonna cover it up. So you run your tape over here, a couple inches overlap. Spin it to the side. If I can get the damn tape started. There we go. Well, sort of. Give yourself a measurement. Measurement. There you go. Your box is taped up. All nice and neat. Yes, I know. You will see Amazon will wrap it all the way around just in the center. Nothing else in it. Yes, that works. If something's not heavy or whatever, this is the proper way that I was trained. You may have been trained in a different shipping department differently, but the things we packed and shipped were fairly heavy. This was how we determined you could ship the most weight in the box with the least amount of tape and have the box stay together. So if you don't know how to tape up a box, that's how you do it. Nice and neat, and you'll find all your stuff stays in place when it's supposed to stay in the box for the trip wherever it's going. Don't use Scotch tape. Don't use electrical tape. It's not what it's for. Yes, when in doubt, sure, duct tape will do it, but duct tape's a lot more expensive than packing tape. Blue tape, which is a poor choice, is a lot more expensive than packing tape. So, I used the blue tape so you could see what I was doing, but that's the proper way to tape up a box in case you didn't know. Hope this helps. That's about it. So have a good one, and we'll talk soon.